Hello, America. This is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming back at you with some more wonderful information. Today, we have the Whirlpool all-in-one washer and dryer full-sized unit. You thinking, why do I need that? Good question. Don't know, but I'm gonna bring it to you anyways. Well, first of all, this is the Whirlpool, and if you look, it is a front-load washer. Okay. Now you say, "Oh, cool. What's new about that?" Nothing big. Well, this actually is a drying cycle also too. If you look at it, let's power it up. Okay. See, this is your normal wash cycles. It is a normal, usable front load washer. Nothing really changed. But when you get over to here, you see that wash and dry? Okay, and your load and go. Those are your washer and dryer functions. No, it will not function like a dryer just by itself. It has to be wash and dry. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean by that. We're gonna look inside here real quick. Let's pull the top off, and I'll show you. Okay. For those of you who haven't seen the inside of a washer, this is the inside of a top load or a front load Whirlpool washer. Okay. Now, all this is basically all normal. What difference is this piece right here. This piece here is actually a heating element with a fan that blows hot air into your unit. Okay. So this will wash and dry your clothes. Now, that being said, it is not a very efficient dryer, and it takes a very long time for the dryer to dry your clothes. Okay, this is not for someone who's going, "Oh, I can wash this outfit and be done in an hour and a half." No, you cannot. If you look in the back over here, there is no vent as you would have in a normal dryer. This is a ventless dryer. It basically cycles the air back through it to keep it from blowing out all over the place. So like I said, this is a good washer and an okay dryer. Okay, you really can't have a good washer dryer combo because it just one's going to be good, one's not going to be good. You can't have both be good, otherwise you'd have a monster machine, and that's not going to fit anybody's house. So this is the Whirlpool full size. So if you only have a place for one, you don't have enough to stack, and you don't want to go hang outside, this is something to think about. This is the Whirlpool washer and dryer combo. Like I said, this is your heater and this is your washer. Now you can use it just as a washer. It works as good, if not better, than the normal Whirlpool front load washers out there. That is not changed. Nothing has changed in that. The only difference is they've made it just slightly bigger, and it has, like I said, it has a heating element here. So, do I like it? Not really, because I have a washer and a dryer, and I like my clothes done quickly. But if you don't have the space of the room, this is something you want to think about. So don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and come back next week for more wonderful information, and we will have a good week.